We've talked about some of the benefits of using a laser, but how do we put this into practice and learn to use our laser sighting system to best effectiveness? The biggest thing to remember is that we don't want to discard the fundamentals that we use to get the firearm pointed in the right direction. With conventional sights and some practice, we naturally point the handgun in the right general area, then we use our sighting system to refine that firing solution as necessary. With lasers, there's a tendency to discard all that and just start looking for the laser, which is a mistake. We need to let our position get our handgun going where it needs to be and confirm and make adjustments as the laser comes into view, just as we would go to our sights without a laser-equipped handgun. This helps us to save time in our presentation. As a technique that I like to employ when using a laser on a handgun, or when teaching others to transition to laser sights from iron sights, I train to present the handgun to the target and plan to go to the iron sights as a default and let the laser come into view naturally. Then, as the laser comes into view, usually before I've made the transition to front sight focus, I can put my attention on the laser to break the shot instead of the sights. This reduces the chance of hesitation if the laser for some reason fails for whatever unlikely reason, or if the ambient lighting isn't conducive to seeing the laser easily. If you don't see the laser, continue on to a normal sight picture without hesitation. Obviously, in those instances where we can't get behind our sights at all, the laser comes into its own in providing the ability to hit our target from compromised positions. But practice and training can once again get us at least pointed in the right general direction, allowing us to use the laser to refine our solution. If you'd like to capitalize on the advantages that an aiming laser can give you, both in training and real-world applications, make sure you select a device that fits your intended purposes and train with that device to make sure that you are proficient in its use should the time come to employ it. As with everything at Police Store and Brownells, all laser aiming devices are covered by our 100% unconditional lifetime satisfaction guarantee. So if you think that a laser is right for you, check out the wide selection of options at policestore.com and brownells.com today.